At Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, we understand that even the finest jewelry needs care from time to time. That's why we specialize in expert repairs and restorations to keep your pieces shining. With over 20 years of experience, we've built a reputation for precision and craftsmanship. Every repair is done with the utmost attention to detail. We provide professional jewelry repair in Kelowna, British Columbia, right here in our on-site workshop. By handling your jewelry ourselves, we eliminate the need for a middleman. From resizing rings to restoring heirlooms, we treat every item with care and respect. Our goal is to bring your jewelry back to life beautifully. We use industry-leading equipment and techniques for every repair. Quality and durability are at the heart of everything we do. Whether it's a simple fix or a complex restoration, you can trust us with your most cherished items. We make the process easy, affordable, and worry-free. Call us today at 236-420-0340 or visit jewelleryclinickelowna.ca/repair-restoration. Jewellery Clinic, Kelowna, where your jewelry is cared for like our own.